Hi, beautiful ones. It's Ethany, and I have got the Witch's Bounty for January for you all today. I'm going to be unboxing this right here, right now. So let's jump in and see what we have this month. Oh, it's so exciting. Ooh la la. Okay, so we have cherry quartz. Oh, I don't have a lot of this quartz. Fire element, celestial influence, the sun. Cherry quartz emanates intense hope and motivation. Let's see if I can do this. I probably can't. Let's see. Promoting vitality and courage for continued progressing forward. This stone aids in receptivity of invisible energies, especially in receiving visions or prophecies of one's near or distant futures. Ooh, such a great stone to be working with for someone who does tarot readings like me, and I do predictive readings, so this is pretty aces. That's beautiful. That's very reminiscent of a Bridget piece of artwork there. Okay, so let's dive in. Smells so good. I've said this like I think every single time I do an unboxing. I'm like, if only you had smell-o-vision. Okay, so we have a little gorgeous red pouch, and inside, ooh, this is a carnelian. Got great stone to work with for your sacral chakra. It's a lovely tumbled stone there. And they always have the most interesting, that could be an agate, but I have a feeling that is a carnelian. I'm just going to check in the all-knowing piece of paper. So this is Forge of Hope, Witch's Bounty. Tumbled Carnelian stone. Okay, I can keep my witch card. They're not going to come and take it away from me. To accompany you on the path, we've included a tumbled carnelian stone, known as the Stone of Courage. Carnelian is a wonderful companion during times of doubt and anxiety. Keep this stone close to you as you work through your daily challenges. That's a really beautiful stone. I got quite a lot of it working with that area of, it's a water, because the sacral chakra is a water element. A very creative stone as well, so a really good one for those of you who work on, maybe who need a little bit of courage to put their work out into the world, or need a little bit of creative courage. Oh man, that smells so good. That's exactly how my apartment's going to smell in about half an hour. It smells so delicious. What's in that? So we have the fire ritual on I'm an air sign. I like fire. Fire ritual incense sticks. As you light the fire, incense included with this collection, allow the smoke to drift through your space. As it lingers and cultivates with the energy you intend to create, visualize your mood and emotions being lifted to a higher state. It is stunning. It's really, really beautiful. I can smell roses for sure. And then we've got the Creation Magical Anointing Oil. Oh, you had it before, you cheeky thing. I'm going to give that a shake. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of an open and a snifferoo. So it is the intention with this oil. Oh, that smells so good. What am I seeing there? That's really yummy. So it is to to be used to inspire creativity and in your craft and practice. So there is neroli, clove, bergamot, and the booster magical oil, as well as some other stuff. Cinnamon, I could smell that. Cinnamon. Do love cinnamon. So with the anointing oils, I think I've mentioned this before, one of my favorite things about the Witch's Moon's creations, both the Bounty and the Witch's Moons, are these oils, and you can use them in, anointing candles, anointing jewelry. You can anoint yourself, your skin, while you're working during your day. You can even use it in a, I wouldn't, be careful if you're going to use it in a diffuser, because there are often other things in it, but if you are careful and can take it out, you can use it in an oil burner. That would be, perfectly fine. You remember those oil burners? I remember burning myself on an oil burner. They get very hot. You remember the ceramic oil burners? Yes? No one? Just me? No? Okay, so then we've got the candle. It is a sacred energy candle. I'm just looking at my little whoop whoop here. We have a hand-rolled, this special candle with the intention of promoting sacred energy in and around your space. As you allow the flames to dance, take seriously your purpose and intentions. And it is, ooh, it smells really good. No, Anthony, the candle is not for eating. I've actually had my lunch, so it's not like I'm frothing at the mouth for food. It's just, it smells really, really good. But that's not hard when they do everything in such, I've done it the wrong way, in such a beautiful way every month. It's gorgeous. All right, now we have the bounty itself. So just before I unveil the deliciousness that is the actual piece of bounty, this collection has been brought into being about staying the blessings that surround us. We embrace how lucky we are to be associated with these beautiful energies that are here to work with us. The lighter months of the year bring hope of each horizon and provides with motivation and courage to make it last. It's so very much about maintaining positivity, and as we're going in the northern hemisphere anyway, from very, 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 very long dark days, I tell ya, it has been an absolute, I have found it very difficult this year. It's so nice to see that things are starting to become lighter again. Oh wow! So we have this beautiful. Oh wow! We have this beautiful box. She's gorgeous. Oh, wheel. Oh, wow. Look, so we got this flame on the back. The details, every month, the details just are, can you see that? Absolutely gorgeous. And then on the front, we have the beautiful cherry quartz, and then there's a garnet inlay as well. The beautiful cherry quartz stone was first created by combining quartz and cinnabar. As these two stones melt together, they create a wonderful, dazzling effect, holding within its energy a renewed life. It's a wonderful tool to help absorb, release, and maintain all of your life energies. It can help reset to your inner compass. It's gorgeous. It's a powerful booster of enthusiasm when it seems as if you have no more creative energy to spare. I tell you, as someone who is completing several pieces of massive work this year, I think I should put this on and never take it off. Because I've got so much writing to do. And yeah, I think this is actually going to help me out quite a bit, get through those last little deadlines. So I'm going to stick this beauty on. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, she's beautiful. Ah, I love it. So this is the Witch's Bounty, the Forge of Hope for January 2020. I will put in the description box below where you can go and support the Witch's Moon. You can go and see their amazing marketplace. They're handmade, hand-bound books of shadows. Dead on arrival. They are gorgeous. I would just throw off at the mouth every time I see them. They are stunning. They're hashtag goals, all those sorts of things. They've got beautiful statues. You can also get past boxes as well. I hope you enjoyed watching me be silly for the last 9 minutes and a half. And thank you as always so much for watching.